Daphne.
Huh?
You're coming all the way from where?
New
York City. Let's hear it for Natalie.
How do I have to?
All right, Natalie, tell us how to do this problem.
From left.
Pick a color, any color.
Do I go up there? I do purple.
No, you're gonna stand in front of the computer so we can hear you.
I do purple.
What color you want?
Any.
Any. I'm
Yeah.
doing blue. Okay,
Okay.
go ahead.
What do I do?
So how do we do this problem? Number one.
From left to right.
Yes. Left to right. So what do I do first?
16 divided by 2.
Yes. So 16 divided by 2 is
8
8. And then?
times 4.
So the answer is
32.
32. All right, let's hear it for
Okay,
Natalie.
now.
All right. Let's hear it for Mallory coming all the way from
Planet Jupiter.
Planet Jupiter. Woo! All right, how do we do this problem?
Well, first you gotta multiply 2 and 4.
Yeah, because it's order of operations, right?
Yeah. And then you gotta subtract 8 from 16, which is 8.
Yep. All right, that's it. All right, so we're going to come back to this mañana. I did it. Okay, number 3. We have Margot coming all the way from downtown San Francisco. All right, Margot, go ahead. How do we do this one?
First, you multiply 10 times 3.
Why?
Since there's parentheses on 3 and it's next to 10.
Well, that's not the reason, because inside the parentheses, there's nothing to do.
Yeah.
All right? But go ahead. Well, maybe you were saying because the parentheses means multiply. Was that what you were saying?
Yeah.
Well, then you are correct. My mistake. You are correct. Because we have to do multiplication first, right? Okay. Now, when I say show your work, I mean this. 3, you're not going to just write the final answer. So we showed the first step. Then what?
Then you do 3 plus 30.
Right.
Then you do 7 plus 4, which is 11.
Uh-huh.
Then you simplify it to 3.
Now, how come you don't do 30 divided by 4? Because the fraction line functions as a parentheses. I heard one person say it. All right, cool. We kind of do that intuitively anyway. Okay, then we got the original orange chicken all the way from China.
So first,
Orange chicken.
you gotta subtract 4 from 7.
Correct. So
And we got
that's in
multiple
parentheses first, the inside parentheses. So again, you have to show your work. If you have just the answer on the test, that's not going to get you credit. So 8 divided by 3 times what?
3.
3. Okay. Go ahead.
Alright, so then you gotta divide 18 by 3.
Say it again.
You gotta divide 18 by 3 now.
Oh, but what about multiply first? He's right. Right?
Yeah.
You were supposed to explain why it's tricky.
Cause I don't know.
PEMDAS says multiply before divide. Right?
Yeah.
Sort of. But we know that it's always left to right if it's multiply and divide both, right?
Yeah.
So it's a little tricky. You did it right, though. Okay, so we do 18 divided by 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 6 times
6. 6 times
6 times
3.
times. Right, because that became 6 times 3. Okay, so that makes 6 times
18.
18, which makes
108.
108. Woohoo! All right, now we got more orange chicken. Where are you coming from? Where did you drive here from?
I don't know, some province in China.
On the coast of China.
Close enough.
All right.
Okay. Hold on. Give me a sec. Hold on. I just changed.
All right. Anyway, go ahead.
Okay. So first you,
Will you stop touching my screen?
as I was saying,
You're the first student that's ever touched my screen.
as I was saying,
It worked,
hey,
actually. Okay, go ahead.
at first,
Wait, let's try it more. Zoom in more. This is fun. Yay! Okay. Go ahead.
first according to who, order of operations, 18 minus 10 must go first as
Right.
the minus
And-
symbol goes
right.
before the
Even
plus
though
symbol.
addition comes before in PEMDAS, but since it's left to right, we do 8 minus 10 first. 8 plus 8.
That's a big
Man,
deal.
my marker is super fat.
18 minus
Zoom
10
in.
is 8 plus 8 is 16.
Good job. All right, now zoom back out for me, please. Oh, that's a little too much, dude. Gosh.
Close enough.
Okay, no. I can see that.
Close enough.
Or, no, it's not. It's supposed to be the whole width. Isaac, you're killing me here.
Don't say my real name.
It's okay. We
Cut
still
that
like-
out. Cut that
We know
part
you're
out.
more
Cut that part
chicken.
out.
Remember, I told you we don't have to have code names. I used to do names all the time anyway.
That's
All
what
right.
I real
Ready, Kelsey? Oh, she zooms in. This is exciting. We got zooming in now. Okay, go.
So you do, because we don't know how many bracelets they're buying, but so you do $5, and then it's B because we don't know how many bracelets they're buying.
I couldn't hear you.
You do 5B because you don't know how many bracelets they're buying, but you know there's a 5 because they've only given you one number.
5B. Right. And we want to use a variable for B. 5 times B, right?
Yeah.
You could put 5 times B, huh?
Yeah.
But really, you just need 5B. Okay. All right. Good job. Okay, now we got Elias, right? Okay, Elias, go ahead.
We do W minus 3 because we don't know the cost of a watch.
Correct. W minus 3. Why is it doing that? That's weird. It's selecting. Maybe because you guys touched it. Hold on. I gotta make it. There we go. So W minus 3. Again, be careful about this one. Whenever it's less than, it can't be 3 minus W, right? Very careful. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Less than, you have to be careful of the order. Okay. Cool. And you are even more orange chicken. Woo! Orange chicken is so good. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so, because it says up there that C equals 3
Yes.
and B equals 7, that
Yes.
equals 10.
So we
And
are
then-
going to write out our work. So our first step, you have to use parentheses. Remember that? So tell me what to write, please.
20
Mm-hmm.
minus, 7 plus
Parentheses
Parentheses.
7. Okay. Plus.
plus parenthesis 3.
Good. Okay, good. So now 20 by 7, we're going to do subtraction first, huh?
Yeah.
Am I right? Okay, so we get
13.
13 plus 3 makes...
16.
Cool. Alright, are you done? Alright, we're done with orange chicken. No more orange chicken. No more orange chicken for you. Okay. Alright, go ahead.
Okay, so you're gonna start with 3 times B, which is 21, minus
Okay,
14.
no. Let's go back here. What was our first step?
Switch the
What's that?
the variables.
Yeah, we need to fill in the variables with numbers that they stand for in parentheses. So let's do that. Tell me what to write, please.
Okay, so
Well, pick a color. Let's see.
this one.
Pink. All right. Go ahead.
Okay, so A is equal to 8.
Okay, so you need to tell me what to write, please. Go ahead. Tell me
So
what to write.
like cross out the A and put an 8.
No, we're not going to do that. We're going to do what we did here. We're
Oh,
going to write out the problem. Remember when
Okay.
we did this? This is how you show your work. If you have to do it. Go.
okay, so 5 and then
Mhm.
parentheses 8.
No. Oh, is it 8?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said A. Okay. Plus.
Plus parentheses 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so 3, and then parentheses 7,
Uh-huh.
and then minus 14.
Okay, cool. Now, didn't I tell you about this, everybody, for substituting? Nobody remembers me saying this for substituting? Raise your hand if you remember me saying this for substituting. Be honest. Okay. And now they remember. Hey, cool. Okay, 40, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, 40.
Plus, and then 3.
Uh-huh. So we're going to go inside here first.
And then, so 7 times 3 is 21,
Uh-huh.
minus 14.
Okay, good.
And
So I'm writing out each step. I'm not just writing the answer and doing it in my head. Okay. 40 plus.
And then 7 times 3 is 21.
Now, why am I spending the time to write up my work? Why does that help? Ooh, great chance. Why does it help to write out your work? So people can see how you solved it. Why else? That's correct. Why else? Exactly. So you can see if you made any mistakes. Right? But it's also important for the process, okay? So it is important that you do that for other reasons as well. All right. I didn't mean to give you a hard time, but we do need to do that. So now, Luna knows what to do, right, Luna? Are you doing 10?
I think so.
Okay. Or is that person absent?
Yeah, he's absent.
Well, you want to do 10 for us and 11?
Okay.
Cool. Go ahead.
First, you need to write 8 in parentheses.
You need to talk a little louder, please.
First, you're going to put 8, which is in parentheses, over 7 in parentheses minus 3
What number
in
is that?
parentheses.
What is it? 3. Right. Okay. Cool. All right. What now?
And then you're going to solve 7 minus 3, which equals 4.
4. Okay. So it's 8 over 4.
Which would equal to
Yep. Cool. All right. Number 11. Ooh, I don't have any room. AC over C. What if I move down? All right, I'll do it down there. Okay, go ahead.
first. You're going to write 8, which is in parentheses, and next to it's going to be
So what's A again?
8,
8. And what is C?
3
3. Okay. Over
over
3.
3.
Okay, cool.
Then you're going to multiply 8 times 3, which is equals 24 over 3, and which gets you 8.
Cool. All right, excellent job. All right.
I was here.
Okay, now I need to zoom out, but I can do it myself. Haha. I got buttons up here to push. Oops. Wrong button. All right, so let's do all these. We got Jaden. You ready, Jaden?
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
Nowhere.
From nowhere. Let's hear it for Jaden. I want to see everybody clapping. So much better. All right, go ahead.
Question number 12, right?
Yep.
Question number 12, since it's 8 plus 0 equals 8, that would be C, identity property of addition.
C, identity of addition. Do we agree? I agree. Okay, 13.
13 is A because the parentheses switch and that's
Associated and
associative.
its addition. Very good. CA.
And 14 is G because it's zero product property of multiplication.
Yeah, let me just write my letters a little bigger here. My marker is really big. Okay, go ahead.
15 is E because again the, oh wait,
Did you say E?
E. I think I wrote that wrong.
Wait, I can't hear.
E.
E, like everybody, commutative of addition. For number 15,
Yes.
I don't agree with E.
Me neither.
Because,
I think I
oh,
wrote
wait. 328, 832. You're right, it did change order, didn't it? But they changed so the parentheses, oh, that's a tricky one. You're totally right. It is E. You see why that's tricky, everybody? Since there's parentheses, you look at it from far away and you think, oh, that must be associative, but the order changes. You are totally right. You tricked me. All right, go ahead. Number 16.
And 16 is F, or also known as commutative property multiplication.
Perfect. All right, put that down. Make sure you're ready. All right, 17. Who do we have here? We have coming all the way from
New Zealand.
New Zealand, Josephine. Let's hear it for Josephine. Mo, you gotta clap. Well, who can't clap? He's got to excuse. He broke his arm clapping too hard. Okay, number 17.
So on the coordinate plane, you're gonna go over 0 and then up 6.
0, 6. Okay, cool. Correct. Point F.
Over 3
Uh-huh.
and then up 4.
Okay, but you have to say how we're gonna write it, right? So 3 parentheses 3, 4. Okay, cool. What about domain?
Is X.
The domain is what?
X.
X? No.
Oh.
Well, yeah, it's all of your X coordinates, right? So your domain is
0.
how much you're moving left to right for all your points. So you got 0, and then you got, what is this?
0 again.
2, yeah, 0 again, and then 2, and then 3, 3. You guys see what I'm doing?
Yes.
So this is 3 and 3, and then there's a 4, right? And then there's another 4, right? And then there's 5, 5. And then 6, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 9, right? That's a long answer, huh? Boo, long answer. Okay. How many people got that correct? No, you gotta do, no, the domain, I would think the domain of the whole graph. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Alright, range.
0.
Okay, yeah, 0 for that one, right? 0.
1, 1.
1, 1. Okay.
5, 5.
2, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
Is
4.
there 4? 1, 2, 3. It's 4.
Oh, 4, 4.
4, 4.
5.
4, 4, 5.
6.
6.
7, 7.
7, 7, 8, 8, huh?
Yeah.
7, 7. Oops, down. 8, 8. So 0, 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, and 8. Okay, what is the range of the following relation? All right, is this a new person or are you gonna do it?
I can do it.
You gonna do it? Okay. Let me shrink that a little bit. Oh, ooh, don't you wish you could do that on your papers? Not really, Mr. Pass. All right. Ooh, fancy. All right, what is the range?
6.
6. Starting with 6. I need to write something out. There we go. Okay, 6.
1.
1.
5.
5.
3.
3. Correct. All right, and what's my trick for remembering that? Which one's which?
D comes first in the alphabet.
D comes first in the alphabet, so D is always your left, your X, and range is always your right, your Y. All right. Now let's see. Did I give somebody this one? Did I sign this to somebody? I thought I did. Let me see. Somebody being shy? Or am I going to just do it? You already did one. You're the one who started touching my screen.
Yes.
Nobody wants to do it? You could be a YouTube superstar. That's right. I think you raised your hand. All right, bring a paper up, please. Although you don't really need it, right? Okay. Do you have a code name? Possum. Let's hear it for the possum. Coming from the forest, the enchanted forest. Wait, I missed watermelon, didn't I? Oh, boo. Sorry. Watermelon was supposed to be number 9. And 11 was moon bread. Oh, and bacon cheeseburger. Ooh, I missed all the code names. You guys should have told me. I was so excited about the math. Okay, so Possum, go ahead.
Okay, so to solve for Nancy's points, we always have to multiply Tom's points by 3.
Right.
So 3 times 3 would be 9.
Mm-hmm.
6 times 3 would be 18.
Mm-hmm.
7 times 3 is 21.
Mm-hmm.
And 11 times 3 is 33.
Got it. Woo! Pretty easy, right? Okay, let's finish this up. Thank you. All right, so we're going to do 3 less than 4. So whatever this is, we're going to go times 4 and then minus 3, right? So, yeah, 4 times as many and 3 less. Got it? So times 4 is 8 minus 3,
5.
right, is 5. Okay, times 4 is 16 minus 3 is 13. 7 times 4 is 28 minus 3 is 25. And then 10 times 4 is 40 minus 3 equals 37. All right, that's it. Bye, YouTube.